ruthless relativity. For the 9
Hey, what it do, man? It's your boy Doc Holiday, Austin, Texas representative with Country Boy Clothing, and you watching Ruthless Image. We out here live at the main streets in Belton. Y'all can see it's going down. We got ladies looking hot. You know what I'm saying? We got the fellas coming out of the slabs, looking fly with it. Y'all check it out. Ruthless Image. Get it right.
My mama asked me who the fuck did you have to kill? It ain't even like that. I'm slick as a fox. I keep my gat hidden in the Nike shoebox. Underneath my bed, the cash kept flowing. I gotta make sure my neighborhood keeps knowing. My daddy used to say that I was up to no good, but if I didn't do it, then somebody else would. And so I sell it by the pound or even by the key. If somebody's gonna bake, then it's gotta be me. So then I head south, motherfucker, cause I owe her payment from a shipment that came in from C, not lower. Now I'm headed down to the Mexican